Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.4, Problem 25. This is Section 1.4, Problem 25. It says, when Elwood leaves for Chicago, he has a full tank of 24 gallons of gas in his 1974 Dodge Monaco and half a pack of cigarettes. It's dark and he's wearing sunglasses. If Elwood uses 7 gallons of gas to get to Chicago, how much gas is left in the gas tank? So what we have to do is subtract 24 minus 7. 24 is how much gas is in the tank when it's full. We will subtract away the 7 gallons of gas that he uses to get to Chicago and see how much is left. So when I start in the rightmost column of digits, I have 4 minus 7. So 7 is too big to subtract away from 4, so I need to borrow. So I'll go over one column of digits to the left, find the number in the upper position, which is a 2. I'll cross it off and reduce it to a 1. So now that allows me to take the 4 that I had and put a 1 in front of it, and that'll change the 4 to a 14. So now I do 14 minus 7, which is 7. And then the next column of digits to the left, I have 1 minus nothing underneath it, so it just comes down, which is 1. So that gives me an answer of 17. Now, because it was given with some units of measure, in this case being gallons, instead of just saying that the answer is 17, I really should include that unit of measure. So 17 gallons. There's 17 gallons of gas left in the gas tank.